Hello and welcome to the Vintage Motorist. My name's Dickon, and to give you an idea as to what this channel's all about, I'm going to take you on a short journey in my 1929 Austin 7 called Primrose. So sit back and I hope you enjoy the ride. So my main aim with this channel is hopefully to inspire others. It's to share my love and interest, my passion for all things early motoring, early transport, steam power, vintage, anything like that. Hopefully it will inspire others to take up the hobby, and certainly younger people. The older generation are disappearing and we need people to take over and run vehicles like this to keep them on the road for the future. The weather is superb today. It's a little bit chilly, but we are still in March. But the sun is shining down on us today. Another aspect of the channel will be looking at owning and maintaining a car like this in the modern day world. So if you're thinking of taking up the hobby, you're thinking of buying your first pre-war car and not quite sure what to look for, hopefully on this channel we'll be able to help you with that. Not only that, but I hope to go and visit restoration companies, interview the people that help keep our motoring heritage alive. We'll be looking at steam engines. I do love steam power. I have real ones, but they're on a very small scale. But we'll be going visiting steam rallies, car shows, fetes. So although this channel is mainly about motoring, we'll be going on lots of journeys together to explore the beautiful British countryside, visiting museums, heritage sites, steam railways, all sorts of exciting things. Another aspect I'd like to bring to the channel is to share some of my drawings and paintings. So as we go around and visit places, I'll sketch what I see. For a while I've been on Instagram and people have said, you need to do YouTube, you need to do YouTube, and I've meant to do it for a long time, and but now we're here, finally we've made it. So it's all very exciting. So if you have been following me on Instagram, hello, and if you're new here, also hello. Oh, some people with furniture into wheelbarrows. So, thank you. For me, it's not about living in the past. It's bringing the best of yesterday and using it in today's modern world. Just because something is modern doesn't always mean that it's better. It's not, to me, about values of the past. It's about living today. But it's enjoying the best of yesterday. So if you've enjoyed the video today, do please click like and subscribe, click the bell button for notifications, and from Primrose and myself, thank you very much for watching, and we hope that you'll join us next time.